and we'll take one more ride. Doors opening. Hello guys, it's Jake from Escalators, Travelators and Lifts UK, and in this video today we're going to show you how to use Smart Shop at Sainsbury's. Now, unfortunately, you will need a Nectar card for this. So you have to use the Nectar because you'll need to swipe your Nectar card before you release the handset. Another way to do it is you can release the handset and then you scan it on your Nectar card, on your phone or your card itself, or a physical card obviously. So we're going to show you it right now, and we're going to show you how to use the device. So firstly, you need to swipe your Nectar card, and then once you have done that, you can pick up the handset and you're good to go. As simple as that. Now another way to do it is if you press on release handset, or one of the handsets will release, and then you can scan your Nectar card on your phone or on your physical card, which you don't have to worry about swapping your Nectar card before one of the handsets can release. Another way to do it is you can use the Smart Shop app at Sainsbury's, which I might do at one of the videos at some point, but for now we're focusing on the handsets. And yeah, to scan it, you just hit the little bar right there, and you can also add it by tapping this icon. And you can add, we're going to add 4 of those little chickens there, and we tap done, and there you are. Very nice and straightforward to shop when it comes to Sainsbury's, and that's a really good thing. You just have to scan your Nectar card, and then you're good to go, and then you can scan all the other stuff and that. So that is really good. When it comes to Smart Shop, you can just if it's a loose product, you tap on that, then you can select one item to be tapped to. So we tap on search, you can search up for rice and sprouts or banana or something like that, then print it off, then you scan the label on it, and that's very easy to do. So just a quick recap on that. We don't have any items we can't show you, so yeah, it's just the shortest one if you are doing fruit or veg. It's very simple. To just scan one item, you just have to press this little button there, and it will just be one item. There you go. And it also shows Nectar price if it's a Nectar price. So we have one right here already, which is the oil spread, which is very nice, and I recommend if you do that, then I recommend you get Nectar price. It's a bit cheaper compared to everywhere, but still, even it's still expensive, But yeah, you just scan just scan once, and then you're good to go. Very easy. You guys were thinking, how do I pay for this thing? Well, there's one way of expressing itself, and that is at the Smart Shop payment area. And Smart Shop payment area is card only. That means if you want to pay by cash, unfortunately you are going to have to go to the self-checkout to pay by cash. And then also that, you can also take your change, and then you can go by just scanning the QR code, go to pay, then just don't tap anything because you're on cash, and then you can insert your coins or notes below. And there you go, you're good to go. You can take your change, receipt, obviously, if you request one. But can I just say something that it can also automatically print you out a receipt, because some local Sainsbury's stores like Brentwood has an automatic gate, which you can't glide off until you scan the receipt. So that's one way that you have to be careful with. So you have to pay for it before you glide off. So you just scan it, you scan the receipt to glide off the gate, which a lot of people doesn't like having that, unfortunately, but that's the way it goes according to Sainsbury's. Now, as well as that, you can also with some Sainsbury's, you don't have to have it. It will just request you if you want a receipt, which my local Sainsbury's does. Obviously show request for receipt, so it's print receipt, and then you got an option to say yes or no. Unfortunately, some Sainsbury's you have to have a receipt because you have to scan the receipt to guard off the automatic gates, which is really funny. But I like how the way Sainsbury's did it. I mean, it's better, so but there's no thieves around there. Now, another way about it is you can also use the card-only self-checkout area. That works as well, no problem, by just scanning the QR code. It's the same as the Smart Shop one payment area. So, and enough of a waffle, can I just say, random service checks are a standard part of the process. Now, I've talked about that a lot on Asda and Tesco, so I don't want to talk about that. But if you want to look at the Asda and Tesco one, I have a link in the description down below. And enough of a waffle, we're now going to show you how to use the end of the process, which we're now going to show you right now. So when you're done, you just check out. So you just tap on checkout on the handset and then scan the QR code on your handset or on your mobile phone. And then you're good to go and go ahead and pay. Easy. And then we can just basically tap our card, or if it's over £100, you insert the card. But since it's under £100, we just tap our card. And then you get an option if you will receipt, or if it's the one with the gate, you have to scan in order to proceed. And there you go. Easy. You are officially done. And that's how to use Smart Shop at Sainsbury's. Thank you very much indeed for watching. If you guys liked it, please like and subscribe. And if you want to see Asda and Tesco's how-to videos on that, so Scan and Shop, which is Tesco, and Asda Scan and Go, I have a link in the description down below. For now, thank you very much indeed for watching. My name is Jake, Business Escalators, Travel Letters and Lifts UK, with my permanent channel as Skyline Gang Fam for the 15th of April, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. One. Back down 0. And it there. Door close button works. I like that.